Last winter was at the end of a 2-year drought. We had just enough snow for cross-country skiing. But this winter is different. Rain in October turned to snow in November. At the end of November, we had 45 centimeters of cold, dry powder snow in just 2 days. For the first time, snow flowed around the front of the snow rabbit like a boat in water. Normally, the snow rabbit never sinks more than 20 centimeters into the snow. Here we are heading back down a hill and sinking in over 30 centimeters. There's water flowing across the trail just ahead. Let's see if the ice breaks. We'll go back and see what happened. Later, we'll put those old pallets in the water to keep our tracks dry. Deep snow often topples trees across the trails. One of our ski trails crosses this meadow. Last winter, the ground under the snow was dry. Shrubs were sticking up above the snow. This winter, water 15 centimeters deep was flowing across the meadow. We had to cut and lay small trees across the trail. Otherwise, the tracks of the snow rabbit became coated with thick ice. This will give you an idea of the depth of the snow. We have large, bright signs on long meadows. Wind-blown snow can hide the trail completely. It's a winter wonderland. We'll take too much snow any day.